everyone one of these pages. And on this page, it shows, we have transitions right here. And then it says definition. And we're going to put the definition, which is what I've kind of bubbled up over there, right? And then on the bottom part, it says examples. So we're going to start putting some examples. And I would like for you to put your examples in a different color depending on if they're transitional words or transitional phrases. Does that make sense? And then we're going to glue these into our writer's notebook, wherever we are, just our next fresh page. Make sure you put the date on it. And then what do you think you may begin doing? Writing. Writing. Our independent writing time. So, what should it sound like in here? Who can remind me of what it should sound like in here when we're in writing? Joanna? Can you remind me, how should it sound when we're writing? Silent. It should sound not just quiet, not just mostly quiet, but very, very silent so that we can all focus on our writing. Okay. I'm going to get out my writing notebook as well. Okay, so remember we just opened it up to our next fresh page. I had some planning pages. My last one was a planning page. So my next page is a blank one. What do I have to do to the top of my page? I need to put the date. November, what's the date today? 16. 2015, right?
Or you could go 11/16/15.
Oh, perfect. 11/15/16. When we're gluing this in, remember that we do ... not a lot, right? We just do 4 little dots on our corners because we don't need more than that. And when it says our definition of a transition is an author's way of doing what? So that's how I want it worded. An author's way of what? Who is just speaking? Victoria, can you say it aloud, a little bit louder?
Move time along in the story.
Okay, perfect. An author's way of moving time along in a story. Excellent. And then we can list out our examples. Like later, maybe later on, next, the next day, the next morning. Lots of different ones we can put with that, right? First, at first, I want more examples. I want a pretty good amount of examples listed on your page. Oh, I like all the different colors that you're using. You're using next time. What word do you think should go in front of next time?
The next.
The next time. Excellent. The next morning. The next day. Right? Later on. Okay, don't forget to glue it in too. A couple more examples. Okay, so
Write stories.
no. Because, sweetie, what is this writing supposed to be about? But what is this writing unit supposed to be about? Are we just writing whatever we want to write? No, but kind of. We can write any kind of story. So definitions is not the same thing. It's not a story. Okay? Your character in a story can write a definition, but where you start this, I love this definition, that's not a story starter. Okay? We're writing stories. Yeah, good. Maybe a few more examples, and make sure you color them for the different types that they are, whether they're transitional words or transitional phrases, okay?